Hello viewers! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the unable to launch Jupyter problem in Anaconda Navigator. Let's follow these simple steps. First, open the Windows search and type Jupyter. Then, click on Jupyter Notebook. A command prompt window will appear. Wait for it to load completely. Now, copy the Jupyter server address and paste it into your web browser's address bar. Next, copy the token from the command prompt and paste it into the token field on the Jupyter login page. Click the Login button. That's it. Your Jupyter Notebook should now open successfully, and the problem will be resolved.